Let's assemble your 3-person infrared sauna. Work on a dry, level surface with minimal of 2 people. A Phillips screwdriver is all you need for this build. Before we start, identify all the panels, the bench support, the bench, the door handle, and all the screws included in the kit. Step 1. Place the floor panel where the sauna will be installed. Set the back panel on the rear edge and align the corners. Then fit the first side panel, making sure it sits fully against the floor and back panel. Lock the exterior latches to hold the parts in place. Step 2. Slide the interior divider into the groove. Position the bench support and fasten it with the long screws from the kit. Then make sure to connect all the cables in the correct locations. Step 3. Slide the bench onto the support. Fit the second side panel, ensuring the divider stays inside its groove. Lock the latches. At this point, your sauna should look like this. Step 4. Install the door handle and bring the front panel into place. Align it with the floor and sides, then lock the latches on both sides. Make sure to connect the cables from the front panel to the correct place. Step 5. Pull the wall cables outward so the roof can sit flat. Set the roof on top and connect each wall cable to its matching port on the roof. Your sauna is now assembled and ready for electrical setup. Enjoy.